Thomas Ski Boy with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
Good morning, Gulf Coast. It is a News 5 weather aware day. That just simply means as you go throughout your day, have a way to stay on top of the weather just in case. The overall severe risk is low, but there is still a chance for isolated severe thunderstorms this afternoon into this evening. We'll go ahead and get into the details. What we're currently looking at is a cold front that is now working its way closer to our neighborhood. Instead of this front moving through, this front is more or less going to stall itself out over our neighborhood, and this is going to be the catalyst for unsettled weather not only through the morning, but from this afternoon into this evening and even during the overnight hours tonight. It's not going to be until tomorrow afternoon where that front finally picks up some steam and starts to move away to the east. We have seen a few strong thunderstorms in our neighborhood during the overnight hours, and we'll go ahead and zoom into a few of those. One of those stronger thunderstorms just moved its way through the northern half of Washington County, is now moving its way into the northern half of Clark County, which will be approaching Grove Hill and Thomasville likely in the next 15 minutes. A little bit farther to the south, we've been seeing some pretty steady rain and also some pretty gusty winds stretching along the I-10 corridor, stretching from Crestview all the way down to Milton, and also watching a stronger thunderstorm that's currently just offshore, which is generally working its way to the east-northeast. So if you're in Fort Walton Beach or Destin, just a heads up that you could see some pretty gusty winds soon, and we're also seeing a few scattered showers just to the west of Pensacola. As we begin the forecast model, we're going to keep the chance for showers and thunderstorms throughout the entirety of the morning into the afternoon, and you'll see that front just to our northwest, but the forecast model I think is underdoing it just a little bit. And where you just see those globs of green, those could very well be some thunderstorms, and it's also picking up on a few thunderstorms possibly in northwest Florida. As we move into the afternoon, that cold front will turn more into a warm front, and we'll start to see more showers and thunderstorms develop maybe in our coastal regions. And if we are to see strong to severe storms, that would most likely occur along and east of the I-65 corridor, and you'll continue to see that as we move from this afternoon into this evening. The chance for showers and thunderstorms remains as winds will continue to be out of the south, and then as we finally move into the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, that front will finally begin to move more towards the east, and then by tomorrow afternoon the trend will be clearing skies and cooling temperatures. We just have to get through the next 24 hours as that front continues to be in our neighborhood. And as I mentioned just a second ago, for those along and east of the I-65 corridor, if we are to see strong to severe storms, which is not a guarantee, but that potential is out there, it would mainly be along and east of the I-65 corridor where it's a level 1 marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, a small possibility, but a possibility nonetheless. The timing looks to be mainly this afternoon into the early stretches of the evening. If we were to see severe weather, the main concern would be the potential for damaging straight line winds, but a brief tornado can't be ruled out. If you're in the marginal risk, and really just if you're in the entire area, just have a way to stay on top of the weather, which is why we're going with a weather aware day. The chance wet weather in general finds you a 2 out of 3 chance. We'll go with a 60% chance that you're going to need your Green & Phillips umbrella. For those of you heading out the door relatively soon, it's warm, it's muggy, and it feels like April in the second half of January. The Gulf Quest Maritime Museum from the Window Depot of Mobile camera, 70 degrees with a southwest breeze at 9 miles per hour. At the Destin Yacht Club, you can't see too much of anything as we overlook Destin Harbor. It is quite foggy right at the beach this morning, 69 degrees with a southeast breeze at 8 miles per hour. There is a dense fog advisory for all of our coastal counties, and that marine layer might be sticking around for just a little while, so that's something to keep in mind, especially if you're traveling along the Highway 98 corridor or the I-10 corridor this morning. Temperature-wise, most of us are beginning the day in the upper 60s, lower 70s. I think we have a few temperature sensors that might be a little astray right there. So as we plan out your day, maybe taking your dog for a walk, probably not the best day. I think Mittens and Iggy have a good idea. Spotty showers, a few thunderstorms through the morning. The chance for showers and thunderstorms will only be increasing into this afternoon with daytime highs in the middle 70s, and it is a News 5 weather aware day, so make sure that you're staying on top of the weather. We'll keep the chance for showers and thunderstorms into the overnight hours tonight, and then by tomorrow afternoon we'll finally see clearing skies and much cooler temperatures. We'll be waking up on Thursday and Friday with overnight lows in the 30s, daytime highs in the 50s, but the weather is looking fantastic for Senior Bowl Saturday.